All right, so today we're out here in Alpharetta. We have a new homeowner who's got a bare concrete floor. He wants something beautiful to look at and park his car on every day. So we're gonna do a full broadcast of Flake. All right, so now we're about halfway through with the grinding. If you look here in this spot, we've got about a number 3 profile, which is exactly what the epoxy needs to grab. It's gonna feel about the same texture as a 16 grit sandpaper.
Okay, so now we have finished up our grinding. We're just now finishing up cleanup. After that, we're gonna mix up our epoxy. We're gonna lay that down, we'll squeegee that down. Today we're laying down 100% solids epoxy, so that's gonna be much more durable than your stuff that comes maybe from the store that comes in about 60% solids, so it's gonna be a lot more durable. It's gonna be a nicer finish and it's gonna last years longer. So right now, Kevin is doing a full broadcast of the Flake. This is gonna add some slip resistance and durability to the epoxy coating. It's great for, if there's kids or elderly people who are maybe prone to slip in. So if your floor's wet, you should be good. So today it's day 2. The epoxy is fully cured now for over 24 hours. We're just sweeping up the remaining flake, and we are gonna add a high gloss top coat after that. That's gonna add some durability, but it's also gonna protect against any oil or chemical spills, maybe oil that comes out of the vehicle. Also very important, it's gonna add UV stability. So if you leave your garage door open all day, it's not gonna yellow, it's not gonna fade. It's gonna keep all those colors true and locked in.